Okay, today we're going to have a look at a 2-bedroom apartment. This one is not far from the river in Siem Reap, but if you want to get to Pub Street from here, it's probably 12 to 15 minutes. First, of course, we have to find it. This is it?
Yeah.
Well, from the outside it looks quite nice. Let's see what the inside has to offer. Apart from a big black dog. This dog belong with home?
I don't know. Time chắc cái kia lời.
Cái gì nó lơ miệng. Đây đang lên này.
Plenty of space if you want to park a motorbike. Going in to the first room. This must be the lounge where you might watch television. It's a fair size. It's actually a pretty good size. Excellent wide open doors to let the air come through. Moving through into the kitchen area. Obviously you can see there's a fridge, freezer, everything you need. It's basic, but if you only want to pay £200 a month and you want a 2-bedroom apartment, it might be the way to go for you. Here. So when you want to brush your teeth in the morning, there's your sink. Toilet and shower, hot shower, basic Western style toilet. It's not beautiful, but it's very good if you're working on a £200 or $200 a month budget. This is, I think, ideal. Look, bedroom number 1. Oh wow, I was not expecting this. First, some good wardrobe space. Television opposite the bed. Nice windows leading out onto a, I guess we can call this a balcony or a patio. Little table and chairs to sit out in the evening. Very nice. Ensuite toilet, and this is what I wasn't expecting. Ensuite bath. This is actually very nice. Very nice. Another sink if someone else wants to brush their teeth at the same time. All very good. What's this? Oh, and a separate shower. Oh, lots of hidden surprises. I'm rather liking this. It went from not the best I've seen to actually some nice features. So you have shower, bath, sink, toilet over there, little patio balcony area, I take it these doors open right up to give you a nice cool breeze come through. Yeah, there we go. My beautiful assistant is helping me out. There we go. Yeah. Ah, and this, I can see now, this leads to where we came in. That's the gate we came in originally. Okay. Well, I don't think this is too bad, to be honest. For $200 a month, I could live here. Let's look for another bedroom, because I'm sure there are two. Here we go. It's another good sized bedroom. The size of the beds they have over here are always very big. Okay, another wardrobe area. A little bit of space if you want to set your laptop up and do a little bit of work from home. Let's check out this. Okay, so another door that opens somehow, which will create a nice through breeze. Not much to look at out the window, but I've seen a lot worse. So, what do you think? $200 a month? 15 minutes away from Pub Street in the old market? Would this suit you? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to know. These solid wooden chairs are beautiful, but I can't help thinking a few cushions on them would be nice. More space over there. Ah, so I guess you sit on these and eat your food here. In the absence of an actual table, that's perfect. Well, tell me what you think. Could you get something similar in your hometown?
That.
Or better than that, not just your hometown, but the second largest city in your country. 15 minutes from the heart of that city for $200 a month with 2 bedrooms. Let's go back here. And that's the little patio area from the first bedroom I showed you. Let's go back outside. You see, you have neighbours. It's all on one level. Obviously there's someone who lives above you, up those stairs. But I'm going to say I'd be quite happy here. It wouldn't blow the budget, and it has everything I need. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'd like you in the comments to tell me what you think. Okay. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like what you see, press the like button, share, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll see you in the next one. Time for some breakfast. Today, pasta and pizza is on the menu. Let's see what they have to offer. Con.
Mama cho bố ơi, cho bố thêm đi đi.
How's that for a view out the window? An elephant.